Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to set up payrolls in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is to enable payrolls. Now in QuickBooks, just go to payroll from the left menu on your dashboard. Then select get started and choose your payroll plan. Either QuickBooks Online Payroll or Desktop Payroll, of course, depending on which version of QuickBooks they're using. Next is to enter company's information. So fill in your business name, address, and employer identification number. This ensures that tax forms and filings are accurate. Next is to configure pay schedules. Now decide how often you're going to pay employees. It could be weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. And then set the first payroll date. Next is to add tax details. Input federal and state tax information, including withholding rates, unemployment tax accounts, and any local taxes. Last step is to connect your bank account. So link your business bank account so QuickBooks can handle direct deposits and tax payments automatically. A pro tip is to make sure that your state payroll registration is complete before running your first payroll to avoid penalties. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least, to some extent. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.